Are you looking to improve efficiency and accuracy in your warehouse operations with a quick add-on solution to Microsoft Dynamics? Well, the solution is right here. A mobile warehouse management system from Tasklet Factory. Mobile WMS is a mobile barcode scanning solution for Microsoft Dynamics, which integrates to the standard functionality in the ERP system and allows warehouse employees to process orders, both online and offline. Are you worried about the installation process? Well, you don't have to be. The installation of mobile WMS is fast and easy. All you have to do is contact Tasklet Factory, and with just 3 coordinated steps, you'll have mobile WMS up and running in your warehouse. Step 1. We'll guide you to select the right hardware for your environment. Step 2. Once the hardware is received, connect the devices to Wi-Fi to allow a remote installation of mobile WMS. Step 3. A local Microsoft Dynamics partner implements mobile WMS in your ERP system. In just 2 days, the installation and setup process is complete. And after a short fine-tuning period, you can enjoy your mobile WMS or easily customize it if needed. You and your employees don't even have to worry about internet stability or network connectivity issues, as our mobile WMS comes with complete offline functionality. Tasklet Factory's mobile WMS runs on future-proof Android devices that work with all versions of Microsoft Dynamics. The icon-based user interface ensures a user-friendly experience. Tasklet Factory's revolutionary mobile WMS solution is currently utilized by hundreds of global brand names in many different industries, such as manufacturing, wholesale, retail, food service, healthcare, and distribution. See direct improvements within your first weeks of usage. Visit taskletfactory.com or call us to integrate the warehouse with the rest of your business.